So traders, here we are looking at the cable 1 hour chart. What do you think it's the direction that this trade is going to take? How are we going to enter it? How are we going to trade manage it? And what kind of an interruption is this? So this and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today in our live trading session and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Tune Up on here, founder of Master the Markets, Illiterates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on this trade over here. So let's take a look at what's actually happening. As you can see over here, first thing to note, it has broken the lower stretch line. That's point number 1, traders. Okay. Next, after it has broken the lower stretch line by this red bar, then you can see this green bar here. The second thing, it has done a retracement. It's done a retracement. Now, that is what we call that kind of interruption. You see, what do we mean by an interruption, traders? Something that you can note as in your trading as well, is when the market is falling in this example, a top to bottom move. If it's a clean move, it's just its red bars all the way, close below the previous closes, right? It just keeps going down. It's a clean move until you get some kind of a retracement, or as we call it, an interruption, until you get a green bar like this, which is closed above the previous close, interrupts this clean move. This is what we call an interruption.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
We have defined interruptions into 3 types over here, Master the Markets. Now, this type that we are looking at over here is what we call a PSwB interruption, a potential swing bar interruption. What do I mean by that? There's 2 criteria for a potential swing bar interruption, which is if it closes 50% above its midpoint, which it does. So I just take the high and the low, the midpoint here. If it's closed above that, that's my first criteria for a PSwB. Okay. The next criteria is that it's more stronger if it closes above the open as well. That means it will be a green bar by at least or equal to 5 pips. The retracement is quite strong. Okay, it's real. Right. Now, once we got that kind of an interruption, what we are looking over here, our objective is still to capture the BRO for the day, the bigger range from the open. Because it crosses lower stretch line, we feel that it stretches to the opposite side, okay, and it did cross the upper stretch line before as well. So this is what we call an opposite stretch, okay.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
And when we have that, we would put our entry for the low of this interruption. That means expecting the market to come back and continue further down. That means from this interruption still to come back further down, take out the low and keep going further down. That is what we are projecting, okay, from the price action that it's showing, okay. Now that's the first point. So we'll put our entry point over here, stop loss for the high of that bar, and then our target for 80% of the ATR on the daily time frame. So I'll go to yesterday's bar, take the ATR, which is 95, and then I would then take a look at 80% of that, which should be 76. Let's do that together. 0.8 times 95, that will be 76. Then what I would then do, take it from the highest point of today, minus 76, that will give me my target, which is this green line over here, which is what you can see, and that is 12441. How do I trade manage this entire trade? As you can see, the next bar itself, the bar did take out and entered us in. Strong move down, only a few more pips, but that's not the point. We must know how to trail the stop, and then we trail it to the high of that bar every single hour. The next hour itself, it did hit our target, and we have banked in, as you can see over here, that's about 28 pips. Let me give you the exact number, 12468. 12441 is what we got. So that would be 70. Let me just do it on the calculator here. 2468 minus 2441, that will be 27 pips is what we are looking at, okay, over here. So 27 pips is what we got at 10 pounds a pip. That would have been 270 pounds, okay. So that's what we are looking at over here. So let me just do that one more time. I think I put it into the wrong box. 27 pips, there you go. And then I will just increase the font size so you can see. So there you go. That's how we record it, and that's how we have made 27 pips. We ourselves, we did miss this trade because we're not by the computer at that point of time. That's why we're looking at people that we can train on this type of setups as well, that you can take it consistently and help us with the team. So that's how this would have been done. So keep measuring that. Whatever instrument that you are looking at, you can follow the same principles and formulate your strategy. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to us. And most importantly, watch the video of Trader Starter Pack 5-part video series taught by institutional quant traders and 12 years of collated research in it. Okay, highly recommend that for you guys to watch. Alright, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.